So one thing I realized during my last flight is that packing is a weight game. Weight is going to be your true limiting factor in almost all cases unless you're bringing tons of really light but huge items, like a suitcase full of pillows. And that's why I got one of these, a digital scale. It's how I know that my tripod weighs between 0.7 and 0.8 pounds. Now that I have this little piece of technology and I'm leaving in 2 days, I really have no excuse to not finish packing. So I'm going to use my little scale and try to optimize my packing, thinking specifically about the weight of the items that I'm putting in relation to how much use I will get out of them, how much I actually need them, and how much I want to replace them, to be honest, because the idea of buying a bunch of new dresses in France doesn't seem like such a bad idea. Before I can start packing though, I need to clean. My old suitcase was an ancient hand-me-down that weighed almost 17 pounds, and to be honest, I was already looking for an excuse to go shopping for a new one. I ended up getting 2 pieces of luggage, one to check and one to carry on. Luckily, it ended up weighing significantly less than my hand-me-down pieces of luggage. I finished my last load of laundry and now I was ready to start sorting and packing. I started by sorting my clothes into categories, so putting all of the dresses together, all of my shorts together, all of my jackets together, and etc. I was kind of trying to do the Marie Kondo method where I wanted to be able to see everything and evaluate what I wanted to take. Okay, there are still some things missing from this, I know, because like I have a pink button-down shirt that's not in here, but this is pretty much everything I could find of my clothes. I've divided them up. Here we have outerwear, so raincoats, heavy coats, any type of outerwear. Here we have outerwear accessories for cold weather. Here we have pants, and they're divided up. That is leggings, these are fancy pants, jeans, and that's just kind of a pile of shorts and everyday pants, kind of general stuff. My one skirt have pajamas right there. We have dresses in this area, shorter dresses on this side, long dresses on this side, and my fashion tape that I wear with this dress to keep it taped down. Then we have socks, which all need to be sorted through, bras, underwear, and then over here we have tops. So t-shirts, tank tops, short sleeve, formal-ish shirt, long sleeve shirts, and a short sleeve shirt. So just shirts in general. And then over here, we have all of the other stuff, a lot of which is not going to be able to make it. We have hairbrushes, toiletries, medication, books, journals, electronics, Some of the stuff has to go, some of it doesn't. Over here is where I will be putting the stuff that is not gonna make it. I already have some stuff in there. And these are the 2 suitcases I will be using, and I'll also be using that small bag, but I'm gonna make sure I can fit it in my carry-on because I'm only allowed to have a personal item on one of my flights, not both of them. So that is where we're at. So my luggage had a weight limit. For my checked bag, I could carry up to 23 kilograms, which is equal to approximately 50 pounds. For my carry-on bag, I was limited to 15 kilograms, which is equal to about 33 pounds. I couldn't take anything more than this. I decided to individually weigh every item I was packing.